Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another video. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to replace your air filter and central air unit. This one in particular uses 16 by 20 by 1. So if you're renting houses, it's different. It's pretty much on the wall, depending where it's at. You just remove a little frame and then the filter's right behind it. When you own a home, it's different. You got to pay for filters and everything. And you can tell mine's ready for changing. They say change every 30 to 90 days. So it could be less than that too, based on your usage. So don't always go by 30, 60 days. Hey, that's when you replace it. Like the summer, well, it's still summer now. Summer's about to end. It's been in the high 90s, extremely hot outside, and been having the air on pretty much 24/7. So with it running almost 24/7, this filter gets dirtier a whole lot quicker. And as you can see, here's the duct and it goes to the roof. So it's sucking the air directly from outside. So pretty much check it. I say at least, based on your usage, check it at least once or twice a week, or maybe even 3 times a week. Don't wait a full 30 days, because if this gets too dirty, you are restricting airflow that's going into this, and then that's putting more strain on the unit itself. So if you want to make sure yours is properly maintained and keep its lifespan and everything, it's just like a car. Preventative maintenance, and it'll last longer. So like during the summertime, this is only 8 months old. Like this is a brand new house, so everything's brand new in here. So my first time owning a house so far, during the summertime, this also gets clogged a whole lot quicker. At first, I thought it was the thermostat, something with the thermostat, because it would just automatically just stop, and a symbol would pop up on the thermostat. So at first, I didn't know what was going on, and then I seen this. So this is pretty much a trap and drain pan outlet. So it stated somewhere on here during hot weather. So it's for models 100, 200, 300 series Easy Trap. Yada, yada, yada. But it says something, I believe, about during summertime. Let's see. Yeah. Oh, yeah, here we go. For optimal performance, trap and drain pan outlet should be cleaned at regular intervals, particularly during the summertime. So for this particular model, this is the Easy Trap right there. So whenever this gets drained, the water can't drain through here properly and then down. You could do this. Once you pop this little cap off, usually the water drains. I think it's only been one time I popped this open and the water didn't drain. So I had to use, where is it? This little brush right here. You pull this up and then you just feed it through here and push down, and you can see it's cleaning it if there's any debris and stuff. Then once you do that, it'll drain. Put this Easy Trap back on. That's so. Close this cap. And within about 2 minutes max, your thermostat will reset, turn back on, and this will start working again. So on this particular model, I'm gonna set you down on the tripod. All right, so on this particular model, to get the filter out, you push inwards and then lift up. And then you slide your little air filter through the little slot. As so. And then you want to get your new one. Lip faces upwards. Flat surface with these faces downwards. So you just slide it back in. Why am I hitting? Oh. Alright. This side is having an issue. Alright, there you go. Alright, once your filter's in, you're going to get the lid, put it like this, and then flip it upwards and push down, and then push the tabs back outwards. And voila. That's how you replace your filter. So like I said, as preventative maintenance, I know this says change every 30 to 90 days, but that is based on your usage. So if you're not using it as much, it's less time to check it. But if you're using it like 24/7, non-stop, you want to check it more regularly, because you always want to make sure this doesn't get too dirty to where you're restricting airflow and then you're putting more stress on this, and then that's going to cost you more money in the long run. So just do preventative maintenance and you don't ever have to worry about this. So that's it for this video. Like, comment, subscribe. See you in the next one. Peace.